Oh, what we got going on today?
Today we're fixing the shit box.
We got going on today, boys. Working on the Evo again. What's going on, Yvan?
Fixing the sump.
Fixing the car again. Just get a 1JZ, man. So Yvan's got a oil leak from the oil sump, and yeah, it's a pretty expensive fix. Where's the new sump? Show the boys. He got a gold sump. That's insane.
This costs more than my piston and rods. I reckon I could remachine my bottom end cheaper than this.
You're replacing this because the current one is leaking bad?
Yeah. So the Moroso sump was leaking like pretty bad. You'll see drip marks on the floor. I should have went airflow, to be honest, but I didn't get stock because once you build a bottom end for the Evos, they have a really high crankcase pressure. I didn't want to deal with a lot of crankcase issues or dipsticks popping out. The other option was this Infinite Evo by New Zealand.
Well, there you guys go for the Evo, boys.
Yes, don't buy a Moroso sump.
Do not buy a Moroso sump.
Just give your Evo stock.
Yeah. And Yvan got his headlights out because he's gonna get some things done to the indicators there. It will be daytime running lights, LED upgrade. We'll show you guys when he's done. I'm pretty sure you're gonna drop it off this week. Tomorrow. Okay, so we should get it by the weekend. I should show you guys the results. I'm not actually gonna work on Yvan's car. Well, I'm not. We need to fix this IS. Just a little follow-up from the last skid session. The car stalled and it's having some issues with the throttle body mod. Yesterday I've actually opened it up and there was the two plugs that are still connected. If you know, you know. You're not meant to have those two plugs after you do the throttle body mod. So it's a bit technical, but if you're an IS200 owner, you would know what I'm talking about. But I decided to film today just to show you guys what I'm dealing with. Got the airbox out. I started cleaning on this yesterday, the throttle body with brake cleaner. It actually made the revs a little bit higher for some reason, maybe because it's a lot cleaner, some more airflow going in. On idle before I was revving on 1.5k. Now the revs are on a high 2000k on warm, and then when you put the aircon on, it's sitting on 1.5k. When I'm looking at the throttle body, I realized this plug is still connected and this plug here is still connected, and from looking at YouTube videos and I've spoken around, these two are not meant to be connected. That's probably the only reason why the car is stalling. I'm gonna unplug those and then see how the car is revving up. If the car is still revving up to 2000, then I will adjust the idle, which I think you can do it on here. I'm not giving up on this throttle body to go back to OEM and feel a bit sluggish. I actually like how responsive it makes the car. What I'm talking about is this butterfly flap. Basically, if it's OEM, it won't open, it will open like 10%. So right now it's 1-to-1 where if you put your foot down, it will open, which makes the car pretty responsive. This is what I'm talking about. See that? So when you open, it's 1-to-1. So when you step on the gas, it will do this, and of course, it will open up. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what a throttle body mod is. This plug was a pain to take off, but that's because I just needed to move this. It was just in the way. This on, and then let's turn on the car. Let's start this car up. Look, I have every doubt that the rev is fixed. I reckon it's still gonna rev 2 grand. When it's getting warm, it's going to 2k, so we do need to do idle adjustments. I want to see if it stalls out. It didn't stall. So now I just need to adjust the idle. Alright, see how we went with the first adjustments. You gotta keep going. It's still just under 2. Alright, here's our progress. We actually got it on 1.1, which is a lot better than 1.5. I'm just gonna do a couple revs and see if I potentially stall. Oh good. Because everyone's saying 1K is a sweet spot, but if you can get a little bit higher too, it's okay. Turn the aircon on. Now we're on 900.
I can just leave it. Eh?
I think that's a sweet spot, dude. Yeah. I think we got it good. All right, going for a test drive now. See how we go. So if it's dark, it's a bit scary, not knowing when it's gonna stall. So far so good. The car doesn't want to stall, which is what we want. Okay, we're gonna thrash it. Plus 4K. Car's doing good. Okay, now I'm gonna have aircon on high. Okay, still good. 4K, idle. See if it dies. I'm on uphill and aircon on. Okay, we made it around the block with no stall, and the car's warm. So I think we got to win. I think we're good. Gonna drive it out tonight and see how I go. Hope I don't stall. No stall, baby. Let's go. I stalled.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, take off the battery.
I'm joking, bro. No stall. No stall.
Oh, I'm gonna shit myself.
Yeah, no stall, boys. Nah, thanks here for the help.
We did it.
Thank you. Thanks, Yvonne.
Well done, bro.
Oh, the car's fixed. Hell, I don't want to jinx it, but it's fixed for now.
Right, drive it the whole weekend. Thing.
Yeah. Oh, can't say it's fixed yet, but I want to say thanks to Brooklyn and Eddie. You guys gave me heaps of tips about the throttle boy. Yeah, we got Yvonne and Andrew working. So Yvonne's actually got a loss today. What didn't come with the sump? The pickup.
Oil pickup.
So it didn't come with an oil pickup. So can't install the sump today. I got air guard. Yeah, just slap it on. Getting bitten by mozzies.
I have no meat for that. Skin and bones.
Oh god, it's heaps. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. We'll come back with an update with Yvans Evo and a loss, and then my update with the IS there at the back. See how I go.
See you later.
Why you sound so zesty, bro? Today we are helping Yvan on the Evo. This is day 3 and he's got the sump on. Look at that. I've never seen a gold oil pan. It's pretty sick. Right now Yvan's trying to adjust the oil pressure. We've got the little laptop set up. This is the high-tech ECU of Yvan's car, and we can read oil pressure from here while Yvan is trying to adjust down there. It's a bit technical, it's a bit fiddly. We're trying to get it done so we can put the front bar back on. And if you guys noticed, yep, the headlights are back. The orange is gone, and now it's just full LED daytime running lights. I can't wait to show you guys. Once it gets a bit more dark, I'll show you guys how it looks like. For now, we're just trying to adjust this oil pressure and we're good to go. You know, Yvan. What the hell? Oh, we got Josh here.
Yeah, I got the better Evo.
Yeah.
Flashback.
Josh just got a new daily. It's another one of these. Got a freaking Evo. Ooh. SME manifolds. This is lumpy as hell. Bro, you've been shitting on Yvans Evos for years and now you got one.
Yeah, now I got a better one.
Josh is here to the rescue again. While they do that, I'm just gonna have to wash the car before sun goes down. I have another shoot tomorrow with Will, just to do some last minute rollers, but I end up washing the whole car because it's just really dirty. So yeah. Drink it.
How much?
Well, I think they're having a sale right now, so
Neglect?
yeah. Look at the spider webs on that thing. You guys sorted that out? The idle thing?
Yeah.
Sick.
Just didn't know how to read instructions properly.
Ooh. I mean, we are Asian.
Ready?
Yeah, go. We're all gonna see your headlights. Ooh. I like it so much better than the orange. Yeah, that looks good. Oh. Yeah, bro.
No, I still think you should go headlight duct.
Nah, come on, man. Headlight duck for what? For the streets. If you guys want this is from Boosted International. We pretty much got the headlights out and gave it to them. They removed the OEM indicator lights and put an LED. Now it's, yeah, pretty much plug and play. So whenever Yvan has his parker lights on, this is pretty much it. So it's just a daytime running light. And I think it looks pretty modern, pretty nice. Yvan still has mixed feelings because he likes the orange, but I say otherwise. What do you guys think? Comment down below. He was saying that he needs chrome wheels to suit this. I agree. I don't like black wheels, but yeah, these headlights are looking sick. I like where the car's going, Yvan. You got this red and gold theme going on, knowing the oil pan is gold as well, number plate. Then you got the updated headlights. I jacked this car down and I can't be bothered. Oh, it's the most tedious part of the process. Beautiful. Oh wait, Yvan, you don't have ramps? You can put ramps.
Shit, I'm gonna put ramps.
Wait, get up. You guys saw that? Oh shit. The disaster was about to happen, dude.
It's been a long day. This happens when you work on cars all day.
You're lucky you're going slow as well, eh?
Always go slow.
I was like, bro, something's missing. I was like, oh, the ramps. It's on a slow. Bro, your lip was about to go, man. That was so close.
This is why you always watch your work.
Guys, it's 10 o'clock on a Thursday night. Gotta love it. Gotta love working on your own cars. But now she's off the ground. Let's go. It's time to drive. But that's tomorrow, so we're gonna have some dinner. Alright, see you guys tomorrow afternoon. Got Yvans Evo on the floor yesterday, but we're not concentrating on this car today. We are going for another roller shoot with Will, which is down there. I do have to update the IS200. You guys are probably wondering. But the IS200 is actually pretty good now. It's not stalling anymore. It drives well. I've been driving it for a solid week. Aircon on. It's hot right now, like 32 degrees. It's good. Hasn't stalled once. So Will, we're at it again. The full video is still not out because we're doing these last bits. Just gonna do some rollers in this nice sunny day. It's Friday.
It's hot, bro.
Look at that gear.
It's hot.
It's so hot. And we're wearing black.
Yeah.
We're pretty. We are pretty smart people. Alright, time to go. It's hot. You can see me sweating right now. We just did our first run. Currently waiting for Will to come back. I am filming this on portrait mode just so I can make a couple shorts or reels, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we are at a nice location. Looks like a little toge, but it's not really.
That's such a long walk.
That is such a long walk. How'd you go?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Whoa, what a shot. Whoa. Oh, that sounds good.
It sounds good, man.
Hi, I'm Brian.
Yo, guys, tune in. This is gonna go live very soon. This is what we're doing right now.
Don't look, it's not released yet.
Dude, this is sick. I can't believe it.
It's gonna be good.
Very in-depth. It'll be live. I can't wait to show you guys. And yeah, that's what we're working on. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
Thanks for being part of episode 1.
Thanks for getting me on episode 1, dude. Appreciate it.
It's gonna be good, man.